Share this video, guys. Reach you with better style. So I did you. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Share this video, guys. Yes. What's already? I'm going to share the video now. Please share the video, guys. It's a message to my goddaughter about what is happening right now. Good afternoon to you all. You guys should sit down. Let's see how we can talk about this issue. Very, very important. You all know my goddaughter. My name is Goddaughter Ese. Please help me share this video. No, this one I'm posting the call inside. You get some issue where you come, you call inside. You get some issue where you go dig ground, you don't need to call her inside. You understand? You're talking on live video. But I share this video. You know, say me not tolerate nonsense. You understand? Because I just so at the verse, at the parrot. You feel me so? When I share this video, get what? Because you can on man. Let me share myself. Please help me to share. We're going to have a video now. Share this video, guys. Yes. Queen O Okoro. Go to YouTube channel Queen O Okoro. Go play this song. Queen O featuring Agbak Manogolita. Queen O Okoro. You type Queen, you put O, Queen space O space Okoro. Yahweh will know with me. That is the title. Yahweh will know with me. That is the title of this music. Osalupa Yahweh will know with me. Alright, my lovely people, I greet you all with better style. What's right there? Please share this video. I greet all of you with better style. We are most to talk. Yes. I was so keen as a now, this beautiful afternoon, this message is straight to my daughter and to everybody here watching me. You understand? Because I want to clarify this, that what I'm hearing is totally bad. My goddaughter, your husband don't leave her. My goddaughter husband don't leave her. Now me personally now, they are NASA now, officially, they are NASA. Not be the one where they carry for news today, or those social media saga, where they say. Now me they are NASA now. You understand? We don't be like saying rumors. And they hear they say. Now me they are NASA now as the father, the godfather now. The husband don't miss. Ese talk show. All of I know as my goddaughter. The husband don't live on. My people, I wanna see him. And wait till lead to that level where your husband can't live on. And the film is so. I don't really call us make come out for live video. Can't talk can. Can't tell your word by himself. What you make your husband wrong. My goddaughter and I don't get husband. It's husbandless. I bet if they speak English. I don't talk and say husbandless or is husbandless now. It's funny, I mean. My goddaughter don't get husband again. And the thing they pay me. They're gonna let me come, may not come become bad head. Cannot have a godfather. At the end of the day now, because of saga, your husband doesn't leave you. You don't expect him to be happy. You understand now? You don't expect him to be happy. Oh, nothing a prank. Never hear. Nancy, you never see her. Okay, you never hear her. Don't worry. Now go hear the story about yourself. Okay, so don't make be joke. Okay, Dola Wala said now yesterday I hear him. Understand? So the thing is somehow, and as I'm talking to you now, I'm not okay. I'm not fine. I'm going to hear yesterday. The news that they go viral yesterday. You understand? Since yesterday, now the thing that they spread. But we cannot continue covering because no certain thing with this social media. You know if you cover them, it must still spread comments. Even though you try to cover them, it must still spread. There is no how you want to hide down. The news must still spread. So there is no need of calling hide down. So it's better you just hear from the horse's mouth straight. Then they call the pen and the pen and the pen and this one. So many people call it the topic. Both the one with their eyes see you, both the one with their ear hear, both the one with their ear not hear. They call it talking for social media. When I share this video, I dey where they go. And once I around there, I go explain many things to now. But when I share the video, when I share the video, me and see many people share the video. It is to go 300. People go to watch us when I share this video because this one is a very delicate issue. Where we say many of our women go use and learn. Many presenters go see use and learn. Share the video. Share the video. Not to the carry fake rumors. What no go the carry what no now you sit down on the first country. This one are genuine directly from the right source. No be say now so this one talking now call here for this one man. No. Now me they brought out this news now. So when I share them, when I listen, I go hear this full story, this full gist. I'll give her the full gist. You understand? This one got funny. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. You know the express is yesterday. Let this one do live video. Before we will consider, because they say breaking news. But that one the latest news now. Because that one I can't do now. Now when they cook for us now. Before me, I never know whether they will go live. So me I have to go check on first. Because that one be the next news now. Before you breaking news, me fait qu'on break the news for the first. Because this the next way you go hear this evening, breaking news, my people. He done said, as arrest, husband, before you come say breaking news, make a come break on. Okay, you know the life. I be there go break the news. C'est Francomoso and let lovely TV. TV 30 p.m. join me. No, what's up? Okay, never break the news. Thank God. So I'm going to break the news for you now. Then you hear clear. Make it clear for you. Make you know say now Frank just talk. This one not be say they say. In your home no away. You want home we may not directly say now the father na not talking by himself now. Not be say you go hear from that person. You can say you carry better news. Don't carry better news. Come out. And I'm asking for you now. Say, say, we don't know as arrest. Your husband don't know different. Your husband don't bis. Say don't know get husband again. Right now, say he's at home, crying. Say they cry, so they talk now. So, when I will love me, you need to help me to console him. And this one what they hide. Because definitely must leak. It must leak out. Everybody must hear. When I must hear. So no need to go hide down. If we see no still cover now, we talking for stars. No matter how we talking for stars, rich. It must still leak. They must still come expose them for social media. So before they go expose them, let me come and say that. And I will see I greet you. Pato. I must do watch every video now. That first sick ba. I believe so not get joy now. The way the saga make your husband go. I said your husband don't leave now. Now go get peace. Now get joy. You understand? Your husband not go. Because of fights. When they go fight. Fight will be say they go carry fight, go fight with the man. They go fight the man for road. Becky with one woman like that. I don't know what you call the woman. And the husband. They go fight. The man don't pass, be careful. Right now, the man don't base. He don't base the say. He say that it's husbandless. Abi, I say talking. It's husbandless, abi. We see fatherless, motherless baby home, husbandless baby home, wifeless baby home. And they see wifeless and they see husbandless, fatherless, motherless baby home, fatherless baby home, husbandless baby home, boyfriendless baby home, boyfriendless, husbandless, girlfriendless. They see it's husbandless. Now the man we see the help her, the consoler, you know, the consoler and they talk to her small. Okay, the way they talk, they funny now, because I say a joke. People are funny. I say a joke. Many of them know now. Many people don't already know already. Not be saying our story. Many people already know. Okay. No be joke. We are not joking. No, this is serious. This is really, really serious. You say, I will not give me a blood pressure. Okay, no worry. No get a blood pressure in Jesus' name. Look, now share this video. Make people hear. Make everybody hear. Make presenter here. So that you will be saying my mouth now for a year. Not be saying they see that if no one saga her, you could just saga once and for all. Make you know say, okay, now make contact now. Or now here they say the guest, some of the guest. So that if now want they put lie, book on the talk, make on the claim, make on the add Maggie journal and salt journal. I go see talk IT app. But eventually I go call her. Make she can talk IT app. Make una hear from the horses smarts. You understand? Make una hear from the horses smart. This will not be say they say. Now go they guess. No. This one now go you hear for her mouth direct. IT happen. You understand? So that if I will fit go beg the man. I feel pray the man number come out. I feel pin her down. So now I will call and I will beg her. Because me I don't talk. The man say they come back again. I don't beg her. Pipo, hello? 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 Hello, I hear you. Yeah. Okay. Okay. No worry. Okay, no worry. Alright. It's done. People will get nobody else they call on. The other thing else make it call me share the live video. I'm not saying to see you know share the live video stuff. They one call on us tell us make it call share the live video. You understand? People they call on. Since yesterday people don't call on. You understand? I know you all talk everything once. Everybody hears to it. If not she wrong, no, you have to give her your no. Me, I know the journey. I know the thing to fuck me. If not she all still wrong for this two we don't talk so you don't even know. No, say I don't even say I don't want to see you talk lie. As everything happen, what time? You understand? Everything go end, go talking for live video. So everybody go listen. You feel me so? Now she wrong, I go hear wrong. If not the husband wrong, I go sit tell the husband wrong. But inside there so, me, I want to join me, beg the husband may come back house. Now the husband behind them is there. When I join me, beg the husband may come back house. Now what's me I after me that one? So all these people they make man, they use on the mock essay. So they don't go for the use on the mock come again. Then when I share the video, say go call. If you call, now go hear from the mouth. I ain't go use the mouth talking. No, not by taking over here. What to do? The year correct beer now. I'll be with the this beer I pass gym. This beer I pass gym. I get gym for you. I don't knock gym. The gym feel like saying water they drink, you know the good they have. If I take this one and I 3, we'll see if you see I still drink something. This one 9%. This one 9% this one. If I take 3 now, it will still make me the okay normally. If I had knock gym the day now, don't knock and finish. Don't the hair. Okay. So the man should give a safe condition. Okay? So they drop your opinion. That's what we need. And they read comments here. As I did, so they also read comments. And they follow up with comments and they read comments. You understand? As they come, I'm not seeing nothing outside the live video. Make it call or make it see the look. So that you go to hear what people will talk. But you don't think get sense. The dry gin, no, the dry again. Most of all this dry gin are water full on. Arizona, most of this dry gin are water full on. You know, they high. The dry gin, I dry gin better. Let's one drink root. Root boss are for here. So they follow up. Alright, God bless you. Blessing you. Some of you here what happen before we give our own opinion. Yes, you go call. Just the way you call ourselves. You want us to call. So that you put them for ringing. You don't even call before so you don't call. Say don't call. Put them for last speaker. Hello?
Hello?
How you doing?
I did fair body.
Are you side now?
I did fair, but when I went that live video, now I just say you did live video.
Okay. Now about your husband. We don't leave you now to talk.
Daddy, I know your guest trying to talk now, so I just do yes, so I just confused. I don't know tell your stuff for now. I just confused. I want your fair. I know you've been wanting to come out for that video, my go explain. But
Okay,
as I
better.
don't see you for that video, now so there is no need.
Better now. Maybe
That's
just
why I relax.
talking for your platform. Talking for your platform. If you
I'll
okay.
talk. So that if you don't want to laugh, you laugh. You not concern me.
Just talking for your platform once and for all. You understand?
No problem.
No worries, talking
No
on
problem.
platform. If you don't talk on platform, I'll come analyze them. I'll come play on my platform. Maybe you talking on your platform. Okay?
Okay.
You're talking
Okay,
now.
Daddy, I'll come out now.
You come out now.
I want to tell live video now. I want to tell live video now.
Okay, no worries. I'll enter that video now. No worries.
Okay.
I bless you. Since you say you want to talk for a platform, it's better make sure you come out talking for a platform. The all of us go wash them. You understand? That would have been the best. Because me, I go where they go. So, but for now, everybody will go there, go wash them. And after they wash them, I go still can't come in. If we don't wash them, people they can't come here, complain, come analyze them, come bring my own opinion, come out. You understand? No, go listen to it. What really happened? Me, I don't hear now. I know I use my mouth talking. I'm gonna hear that from my mouth. I'm telling say talking now for your platform. Go talking out there. You understand? You cannot be like say I want to use something get view for you. But go meet and see. When I go to the platform, you know, see whether you do life. Say one come out for life now. So as they enter life, once I say they life, I'll cut my own. Me I go wash up. Me I hear what you want to talk. So I said if I hear the jerk, I want to hear what you want to talk now. Now I like you know. I like you know. I'll be like, what's not good, not good. You think you pay me home, but I'm not going to do that to pay me. Hey, cooking with the barrister. Hey, they what to do. Okay, with barrister, get that bad news or good news. News, not news. Whether bad news or good news. A news or a news, you hope you understand me now. That's what you'll be. News not news, you what to do. That's what this life be. This thing, this abroad get as it be. In fact, I go so resign and go ask. So can't use what person they hear for this abroad, so if they make person go like the small. Now be lie you. So can't use what you go here. You go make a bola small. That will my beer. So we're saying one day on platform right now. You guys go and watch. Let's go and listen to Ese. Maybe we hear what's in the play. Concerning Ese, I husband tell you leave him. You know that when you by him and down with her now. So guys, no join Ese. We'll see how your husband tell you leave him. Just want me to enter life first. Before I cut my own. I'll be done. You never enter life, you never enter. My love. You know kind of life, you know. Let's go and join Ese. No, never free. If you don't free, not be celebration. They're not free, so no be abada me go wear. Just me go wear singlet, because they do live video, they're free, Ese. Wonderful. Et en free, help me, see la badayo. Vec go de my front here. VSOP go de my front. Remit Martins. Better anything go de my front here. Tennis must follow. Normally, you know the story now. The tennis, you know, we must follow. Whether good or bad, whether strong or cool, tennis is always activated. You understand? Yes, now our follower, we'll go back. Not be that one. Never enter life. So better life. We want to get the story with life video. But that other got down here. We are down here no soon. We are the phone pass here. You understand? No still the phone back. Oh, here now once for all. It's very, very sad. It's a sad news. That's the reason why I say this matter. No, we talk for live video. Since yesterday, then they use on the Sagara. They use on the Sagara since yesterday. So they're not already here. So people don't hear. So people never hear. Definitely, everybody must hear. So the best thing, no, we just bust them out. Let everybody just hear for your mouth. Don't be serious on how the phone say, now I ain't get information pass. Now I ain't get information. Now I ain't get information. Now I ain't know how to investigate things. No. Make your come and bust them out. Make we hear the story. Once and for all. Now you have the thing so. No, come on, hear the story. Nobody your she. You matter your conscience. I be here anyone. What talk be? What talk be? What talk be you? See my love. See the live video, yeah. If you don't know. If you don't want to tell me, make I know. Me, I cut my own. Ese husband don't leave Ese. Lisa, idahosa. See what happen. Ese husband don't base leave Ese. I greet you specially. Hello? Okay. Okay, I'll share them for you. Thank you. You know they answer me. You ask me question, Naomi. Good afternoon. You ask me question. Which question you ask me now? Tell me why I don't answer you. You're my darling. Why would I not answer my darling? Naomi, why I not going to answer you? Costa. Costa. In case you're making a case of a barrister, any new gist. They call you for nobody. New gist, they. No me no see when do you. Oh, fair. No, la we be la re Costa si. How you want down kak me on ma kiss on go. Wo we are me. I be like, hello. What up, Bema? All right. No be lie. Constant. You want we kawa be ni want we be make we na me want Jesus all like you. Like be ni want na we ko like be want ni when the saga continue. Easy. We are one of me one of me. We are not one answer la vie. I say one go live. Say one go talk with you happen. I use my on live. Before we go jump come and say breaking news. Now see me come use the man talk. I will see happen be that one. Because the man talk what happen between your husband, why your husband not live. Because the announcement is yesterday. They use on the silence, they will they cast. People they come in, say, but what they smell, what they happen? Say your goddaughter, your husband don't live, your husband don't live, and okay, where worry. The mate here, Emma, you know the idea. So no okay. No need. No ya amuele, no ya wo. Your come out, do it clearly, open up, explain everything will happen. Basta. So one use on saga, you better use on saga you once and for all. Basta. Cherish what's alright here. If you don't let me know, and let me know. All those are shower waiting for Sardinia. We they come for Italy. They're not going to respect themselves for this media. They go feel people not know them. All those are shower waiting for Sardinia. We Maro Ibu, they're not going to respect themselves. They go think the person not know them because they never jam their match. So people do this media website will beat very soon. Saga they buy anybody. They go reduce your weight. You go put your shame and disgrace for your family body. You go know the meaning of saga. Not when you meet who don't know how to do saga. When you meet who know how to do saga, you go know say saga they buy people. For this media, when I go they happen yourself. When you go enter your body, you go know say saga they buy person. Don't play. You understand? Don't play. Ashawo Sardinia. They go talk to blogger. After they do Ashawo tire. For Sardinia, they will come to blogger. They do evil. Yamata depending. When time reach, go ring the bell, bang, bang. But I think this is ever go too sweet for Saga. I do my drink. They read comment. Na comment I read. Now I see what they wait for. See the other life. All those are shower of Sardinia. I don't call person name. They know themselves. Let me press my laptop. Make I go some Igbiaga of Sardinia. Igbiaga of Sardinia. That got married Why are you running? Why are you running? They plant you. All this big girl Sardinia plant you. Jesus. Okomiliki of Sardinia. See them. See them. See them. See them. Okpo of Sardinia. Okomiliki plant for Sardinia. Oh, Susu Maye one. He get some saga where they load, never load finish. Make a go ground. This saga don't near ground, or this one don't near ground. Jesus. See the weight of this saga. Ah, the weight of elephant cannot cause earthquake. Ah, saga colonize social media. Nah, see for hey, this saga go auto. This one is Igbiagia one of Sardinia. Igbiagia one. Igbiagia. Space one of Sardinia. Sardinia. Okpo miliki. Okpo wele. Now first to show this one first. Now first snap this one now. At the come, I'll go. Me first snap this one first before I go check whether I see don't enter live. If I see don't enter live, no, right time for them. Let me mark this one. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi gbé ọ̀rọ̀ wẹ̀ gbé ọ̀rọ̀ he ya gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ike ya gbé n'ọnya he ya go ọ̀rọ̀ wo he ọ̀rọ̀ mo he o ọ̀rọ̀ mo he ọ̀rọ̀ wo he ọ̀rọ̀ he ya gbé n'ọnya ike ya go. Yeah. Ọ̀rọ̀ ya gbé n'ọnya he ya go ọ̀rọ̀ wo he ọ̀rọ̀ wo he. Wala for social media. I said on the live. Let's check. Is it on live? Hello. That passport we sent for me, so that passport is, they don't accept them. You get driver's license. You get a resident permit. A picture not there. Send that one. Yeah, see. Snap and make it show clear. Alright. You get national identity card. You get national identity card. You never get them when the country where you did. You know that one. And send your that one come here. I agree to you. The other one, I don't accept the other one. The one we sent from yesterday. I agree to you. All right. Ori ma ya gbe. Enonya he ya go. Oru he gbe ori ki agbe o. Oru he gbe ori ki agbe. Enonya ki ya go. Nonya he ya go. Can you imagine? Now one man knock 400 women. The man still their life. The man, those women, they let the man rest. They let the man hear word. 400 women in that camp. They let the man rest. They let her hear what? Never even knock Christian. They scream, they shout, they want Mariam, they want Mariam, Mariam, they want Mariam. I never even knock Christian now. Even myself at the trial. How you do it doing? Then when I'm on you be try. I know the funniest part. When the relationship is sweet, when the thing is sweet, they're going to call me names, they're going to give me title. They're going to give me title. If I say I don't do it again, almost what? They're going to say I'll be almost what? God, this life don't balance, I swear. I swear to God. Wahoo Eku. You will turn on Mozo, I swear. You will turn on Mozo, I swear. You must turn on Mozo. In this media. That name fits me. I'm really a Mozo. Don't be liar. I said, I call us a smoke bola. Smoke. Now God will bless me. God, I thank you for this bola you give me. Originality. Hello? Hello? Is it my ear? Yes. Now we dey talk so, now we dey beg so. We see all the begging things so. Now we dey beg so. We are seeing the begging things. Now it is so. Because they don't started the announcement since yesterday. They don't use the saga since yesterday. Now so me come here come talk and me dey just know say once and for all. You wanna see the help me dey talk to them. Now understand? No. No wahala. No wahala. No wahala. No wahala. All right, thank you very much. Thank you for your concern. See, good fans. I say still get better fans. The woman just dey cry. The woman just dey cry. I'll still beg the man. I'll still beg the man. I'll still continue to call the man a beggar. I'll beg her, no worry. No worry. Make I call her, see. Make I see whether I did life. When I wait first, me I call her. Let's see them. Hello? 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 Good afternoon, ma. I greet you, ma. I must greet you. What's up? Okay.
They go take her Sagara, they go take her do this one. My dear brother, may she not give a damn. May she not give a damn. May she just settle with her husband, beg her husband, carry her husband enter. Not be social media give her a husband, and not be social media go settle her husband. You understand me?
Yeah.
So anybody where is what take a sagara or not saga, now they get problem. Not be she. So now this one I want just so because I felt for her to say the truth. I really feel for her. But I pray that today, that anywhere that man is, may God touch your heart.
Amen.
May he come back.
Amen. Amen. Thank you very much.
And I know God will touch your heart.
Amen.
So make sure not just carry and go social media. Now it's private affair.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So thank you so much. This is my little contribution.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you very much. God bless you, ma'am. Noisy. Look at this can see for the con. Can you just see something? Tell me, this social media is very near to you. Because kind of problem you will see it. You don't get problem. You don't get problem. Ori Maya be they call it Ese Deco. I say it's another call. She's another call. I'm she can't have video me a cut, man. I go listen to what she want to talk. Don't be loud. You can't fetch share, but I don't enter. This matter go wrong. It go wrong. It go wrong. It go long. It go long. Noisy. Oh Bob, see the man they beat man. See the woman they beat man. Jesus. The woman naked they beat man. Oh Bob, see me for ground. See beating. This man get mind though. Oh look.
May I just watch this video to the end, guys?
So you might have life. You get life, let me know. Nous sommes like à quoi des Facebook, à des check à pourquoi. Non, ça dit là, ils ont fait des Facebook. Now, be like that guy go post that man on some say maybe they say maybe they give the chance. That guy not get one single straight to go beat Christmas for Africa or even for his face. $400 winning. One person nagged them. People still drink. The man still drink cup. Still drink water drop cup. Only small guys where I just touch like this for social media because they present and they don't let me hear what. Small one, no, they don't even do husband so this one not good husband, still get peace. Me we also not single mother, not get rest of mind. They don't follow me, they want to marry. It is small, no take time. I don't say marry. When I relax on myself, I don't fear God. And when your character good, never gonna marry you join in wife. If you get good character, for inside this bad economy, you still get bad character. Inside the bad economy, some of these women they still get bad character. Some don't frustrate because don't spoil, don't rot, see finish. They can never marry black man. They're gonna sit down with Oyibo. They're gonna marry Oyibo. They don't finish. Black man can never do with their pekos again. Because Oyibo like dirty things. Oyibo they like smelly things. Check who chop garlic past now Oyibo. They don't let person hear word. You know, go see they talk about the Oyibo they marry. You marry Oyibo, talk about the Oyibo people. You just educate blacks. You can never hear them talking. They don't know anything about Oyibo. They will get Oyibo for her. They will define black man prick. The same black man when they not say not good. The same Benin man when I say not good. When I marry Oyibo finish, we not go let Benin prick rest. We wake get on a talk buwa. Aba shawo. They will marry Oyibo for her so. E kill to Guinea's ban. E cannot say what they cannot say. Yeah, what they cannot way. They're going to fight cap. Everyone will marry you. One family carry. A book your money. Why got a black bola? What they talk? The black bola marry. You ain't be here, but what are you in Nigeria? Who heavy fear? Why got it on Wamuna, Reminats, on Waviera now? Because I'm beneath was not the chop Reminats. I'm beneath was not the chop Reminats. Again, when I is here, and if you are here, where will let you, why I big bag. Again, if you are here, when I used to talk back, if you are here, why I bash out him. After the don't wear. I'm a minor, in more kebuhi. What do I mean, money, man, do I? They black the chop in more. Flesh with the toto, you don't finish. Don't wear. Nonsense. I want a black when I who you were. How any fool you are, young. How any fool you on my flesh. Out the amugo young. I can't go on my book fish. I can't go on. If frankly, I don't have no doubt where a boy is a very useless boy. Very happy. This guy is a very useless baby. Very happy. Why boy not now? If I can why up here you garage. Why up here boy you garage? Why have you make it? Because I get it, boy. A boy out of okay, I'm an amigo, Gama. And I'm the truth. So, why you see?
Ultima intervista.
Why you see? That's a good life. Don't you see better? Better because the shop. So water. So no guy give me lagama uji. No guy give me lagama. On the guy, I win my way. Okay, let's go to my daughter. My lovely daughter. What is happening to my daughter right now? I don't know. I'm trying to call her number. Her number is busy. Her number is busy. He's on another call. People are calling her. You guys should let her go to life. Make she talk the thing once and for all. Make everybody rest. Make everybody kukumayo relax themselves. Simple. Something is just my own. Make yours live your good life once and for all. But the entire house. Cook this. Alpha, you never go life. Okay. All right. I disturb the why call now or true. Okay, I know that's a video. You know that no ballerino, Wangetalo. Wangetalo. You understand now? Ayikuda. Oh, ayare. If you don't mind not knocking 400 with you. Oh, no, what's here? I don't want you to come. Unless you are a single mother. I can do that for you as a favor. If you are a single mother. But if you are married, you don't call me. Don't call me and ask me to send you that on myogo, ofiogo, afiyo, asiwolo, asibloblo. Don't call me. That video is for single girls and single mothers. It's not for a married woman. Only your husband that can watch that video as a married man. You can watch that video so that you get more style. Because in that video, there are more starter. There are more, that woman, that guy like doggy like. You understand? There are more styles in that guy, Naki. That guy, Naki style. Even in the river, that river style. Even the river that see dogging things. You understand? Dogging and sucking. Everybody laughing. You understand? The guy likes speed. Yeah, I call him. I call him. You got saga. Hello? I greet you. Yeah. Awa. Okay, only hour. That's okay. I see the life. See the life. So before I cut this live video, let's go and join this. Before I cut that video, what is this woman asking? I say, if your husband hold her for hand in wash her, you can't say, my wife, come see one thing. You can't join your husband in wash her. Well, not abomination. Don't be abomination. Don't be abomination. Your husband in water. Your husband call you say, come join. Don't be abomination. That one is not abomination. You can wash with your husband. You understand? Okay, I say don't lie. Dollar wahala. Say this one. The one you say for me, that one, charge play now. You know the one when me get. You get the one with the dog for saliva. You get that style for the dope for saliva. You get the style with the man dope for saliva. You get the style with the man, then the way they get the drink the man piece. When you get the drink the man piece, you get that one. When he was drinking piece, you get that one. Minister, I do. I don't know, say woman, see the drink piece. I don't know, say woman, the drink my piece. Don't you know what they do for that country? That country, people they condemn. God, because they reject me. Okay, let me check whether my daughter the live video. Look at check. She's live. I see the live. Alright, let me go and watch and see. And I will leave you guys now. And I will see you guys later. So let's go and watch my daughter. Let's go and hear the true life story. Then we'll come back and we'll analyze it again. Now, bye-bye for now.